Hey, it's Steve, back in the museum. Today, been working the last couple of days. I've been running the museum myself, trying to get some things done. Working on the studio, cleaning things up so I can make it easier to do interviews in here and talk to people. Working on the mini split, getting the head in, which I knew would be the biggest pain in the ass. Plus, that gives me a chance to measure the distance I need to get outside to the condenser and see if the line set that it came with is going to be long enough and stuff like that. And plus, it lets me know where the wall in the back will be built. Everything kind of works with each other. Next, I'm going to be tackling the storage room next door, which is going to eventually be the conference room. Right now, it's the catch-all room. It's where we make shirts, and I have a ton of MetaZoo crap and just everything piled in there. I mean, personal stuff. But we're getting there. I'm getting stuff done. Another thing I want to start tackling, it's a little chilly today. It's going to get a little warmer by the end of the week. Start doing some more painting and working on the mural. Now that I've got my freedom, I'm trying to get things somewhat organized, tackle little things, and I'm going to get as many projects done. But that's about it. Just showing a little video here. I'm going to show you some of me working on things and just wrestling with this monster condenser. Actually, it's the head unit inside, and I think it was fairly heavy, not really heavy, but just awkward. Plus, I had to drill a hole through. You'll see in the video. Plywood, and then there's this beam space, and then there's cinder blocks I had to drill through. Then you're trying to get the drill through. Thank God my bits were just long enough. End up doing a pilot hole, then drilling from the other side, and you'll see some of that stuff. But all right, that's about it. Thanks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. My next plan is to get on the road within the next few days. It looks like it's going to be Brown Mountain Lights. Some people mentioned it. Actually, it's happened. Been asked about it a couple of times. So I've been doing some more research. I was there like 10 years ago, not even knowing about what was in the neighborhood. I was looking for property. So I'm going to try to make some phone calls. If any of you know of like a place where a motel or a cabin that has a view, that'd even be better. I'll go to the scenic sites, but if I can have a place at night, I can just set up equipment and let it run. That'd be ideal. So this way, I can really do a good investigation. Now, I don't know if I'm going to have the chance of actually seeing lights. I don't think they come every night. One of the things that kind of excites me now, the temperature's really dropped, and it's going to warm up by the end of the week again. So I can get in there with that swing of temperature. I would think that might be something that could energize things, get things going. But who knows? What do I know? I'm going to give it a try. But that's about it. Watch a little bit of the video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm going to be doing more and more videos. I'm going to try to get in at least 3 to 5 a week. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. This is going to have to be about here. pretty good there. Let's see what we find behind the wall. That was easy. Yeah, let me show you what I got up here. This thing's a monster. When I finally got it up, you can see the hole got drilled a little bit low, but it will do. This thing is just huge. I had to drill through here. It's a combination of plywood, beam space, some insulation, as you can see here, and then cinder block wall. So this is where it came out. So this is gonna have to go up. I'm gonna frame out a wall here, go across, out the building. That's where the condensing unit's gonna go. But this is completely not part of pretty much the worst part. Once the wall's up, the rest is pretty straightforward. And then it's running 10-2 electric to it from the panel, which is all the way over here in the corner. So it's gonna be probably a little over 100 feet. Hopefully it's under 100 foot. It'll save me some money on buying the wire. At least I get the box out of the way. It's up. There's the unit going outside. Thing's a monster. 36K. So that's what it is. I apologize. It got shut off before you saw me wrestle with the unit, but I had to move everything around. I had to actually make a jury rig area to support it because I had to lift it by myself, tape the tubes and pipes together to slide them through the hole, which I had on a little bit of a pitch, so this way the condensate drains. Just a pain in the butt. Anyway, I'll add this to the video later. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.